Here's how to change notification sounds for different apps on Android. Now let's swipe up from here and hop into your settings. This is all accessible through your notification settings, but we need to make sure something is turned on so that we can change it differently for each individual app. So from here, let's scroll down to notifications and then advanced settings. Within advanced settings, we need to make sure that we're able to manage those notifications on a per app basis. However, it's usually off by default. So make sure to turn this on, manage notification categories for each app. It says notification categories will appear for notification settings on each individual app. Now we can change that sound per app. So all we need to do is go back out here to the very beginning. Now we're at the very beginning of your settings and we need to go to those specific apps that you wanted to change those notifications for. So let's scroll down until we get to apps. And then in this case, let's for instance, go to Messenger on this list. Once I'm in Messenger, I can go to notifications and you'll be able to see the notifications are turned on and it says sounds and vibration. But let's change it so that I know specifically when I'm getting a Messenger call or a text. From here, I'll tap on notification categories and then calls. From here, you can see sound and it says app provided sound, but I can change that to whatever I want. I can change it to something different and essentially just turn the volume up to be able to hear and listen what it sounds like. And then once you go back, you'll be able to see for notification calls on Messenger, it'll have the sound drip drop. However, I can always just go back to a different app. So let's say I'm going to go all the way back. And instead of that, I want to go all the way down to the bottom and have a different one for WhatsApp. I can just tap on it, go to notifications and then notification categories. And for this, let's say when I get a message notification, I can tap on sound and choose instead of the default bright line, I can choose any one of these other sounds that I want to so that I'll be able to understand exactly which app is notifying me just by listening to it.